Why choose between an extension reel and a work light when you can have both? Introducing the Masterplug proxt Work Light extension reel. The compact, easy to use 2-in-1 solution designed to keep you powered up and well lit, wherever the job takes you. This lightweight, space-saving reel features 4 shuttered sockets, giving you a safe and reliable power source for multiple tools or devices. And with a 5-metre high visibility cable, you'll have the flexibility to work comfortably in tight spaces. Sheds, garages, small rooms, lofts, need extra light? No problem. The integrated 500 Lumen LED Work Light provides bright, battery-free illumination. What makes it even better? The independent power controls that let you use the light and socket separately or together. And when the job's done, simply switch off, unplug, fold, rewind and store. The Masterplug Work Light extension reel. A smarter, simpler way to power up and light your space.